Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make rice stuffed chicken breast. Now I use like a box rice mix to make the rice for the breast because they're already seasoned. I don't really have to do much work, just kind of follow the instruction on the box. So you can go ahead and use whatever rice mix you'd like, or you can make it from scratch, of course. I do like to use a little help from the store. I'm not going to lie about that. I think it's a wonderful thing. So it cuts my work in half. So I'm really excited to share this with you. It's pretty amazing. They're so delicious. You can serve this along with more rice if you'd like. I just eat it as is because there's enough rice in the actual breast to really keep you full. But feel free to do it however you want. And I hope you guys enjoy because I absolutely love this recipe. Bye.